Here's how to connect your Google, Apple, and Microsoft calendars to Bookme. Once you've logged into your account, you're going to navigate over to Settings on the left-hand side of your screen. Inside Settings, select the Connect Calendars tab. Next, you're going to choose a calendar to connect. Your options are Google Calendar, Apple iCloud Calendar, and Microsoft Outlook Calendar. You can connect one or multiple calendars. Just click Connect underneath the one you want to add. Once the pop-up window opens, follow the prompts to authorize access. Once that's completed, the window will close automatically and your calendar will appear in the list. Use the checkboxes to select which calendars you would like to use to check for scheduling conflicts. Here you can select one or multiple calendars. Next, you're going to select the calendar you would like to add events to. All new bookings will automatically be posted to this calendar. All selections are saved automatically and you'll see this confirmation message once they are set. And that's it. Now all of your bookings are checked against your selected calendars to prevent conflicts, and all of your bookings are added to your selected calendar.